Missy Love. Missy Love, come in, please, to our live stream. And let's see. Hello.
Hello,
Welcome,
good
welcome here,
evening.
Missy Love. Welcome.
Hi.
Oh, I love the background.
Thank you so much po.
Wala yung background namin dito sa London. Ganito lang kami kayo. Talagang you have the live. I will try to check this out and then probably do one of yours. But it's all impressive your backgrounds and everything.
Thank you
So
so much po.
please tell us about yourself, Missy.
Yes, I'm Miss Love po. From Antipolo, Rizal, an ex-bank credit analyst last 2014. And then and an entrepreneur-owned event supplier and a streamer sa TikTok na din po.
Wow, amazing. So are you still doing full-time work, or you're in the entertainment industry now?
Yes, full-time sa TikTok po, and I have my own business po, an event supplier. So kami po yung nagbibigay ng mga fences sa mga malalaking events po ng concert dito sa Pilipinas po.
Wow, amazing, amazing. Apart from being an entertainer, performer, singer, you're also an entrepreneur, which is
Yes.
which is really good.
Yes
And
po.
I can see that you're enjoying what you're doing, and you're also full time in TikTok. So the world has really changed a lot now. You have to be, if you want to, especially you're an entrepreneur. If you want your business to last longer and have longevity, you need to have a online presence. That is
Yes.
like a rule now, because if your business is not online, it's very risky.
It's very
You need
risky. Yes po.
just offline presence, but also online presence. Ayan. So okay, tell us what
Yes.
you're going to sing in this live
Ye-
stream.
Yes, it's all about it's like I'm having a convo with God. This is what
Mhm.
God telling us wherever we feel lost and down. Ito po yung meaning sa akin ng kanta. So, here we go. Sana po ma-bless kayo sa kantang ito.
All right. Is this a original song or a
This is a
original song or cover?
cover po.
Okay.
Yes, I have my original but it will release very very soon po.
Yes,
Since wala pa pong then ito po
Okay.
para sa
No,
cover lang po.
let's all welcome Missy Love.
Thank you. Kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Kumakabog na naman ang dibdib. Sa pagkabahala, nadala ng daigdig. Sa dami na nangyayari, saan ba ako lalapit? Kundi sa'yo lang ako kakapit. Kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Ika'y sasalubungin. Oh, oh, oh. Nais kong sumibol kasama ka, at sulyapin natin ang ating hinaharap. Ikaw lang, ikaw ang aking pahinga. Sa'yo ang aking gising hanggang sa pagtulog. Sa'yo ang pag-ikot ng aking mundo. Kapag makulong na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Laman ka ng bawat panalangin, ikaw ang pahinga sa bawat sandali. Patungo sa'yo ang aking tinig, at iisa lang ang sinasabi ng